Hi everyone! I am so excited to be starting my first vlog of the new year 2021 as RJ Felipe. This video is gonna be a new year plan with me, and I know that it's already late, but it's better than never, right? This video will be categorized into three. First is the self-development, second is developing habits, and lastly about my YouTube content. Now let's get started. Let's tackle first the self-development or self-love. First thing is I want to share with you how I will plan my self-development. It will be a new content for me, okay? And please bear with me. So in the morning before going to work, I already have my routine and I want to share it with you, and this really helped me to become a better person. First thing in the morning as I wake up, I usually do my devotion, and that's for about 20 to 30 minutes. It really depends on my day. So I use my phone to do that, and I have this Bible app. Like, there is a specific devotion for that particular day, and it really helped me a lot. And of course, I notate that one, and if you want, I can also share it to you how I do my own devotion. Just comment down below. And second thing that I want to develop this year is my reading habits. So right now I am currently reading the book of Stephen Covey, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Last year I already started reading. Even though I have a very hectic schedule, I really want to develop my reading skills, and I learned a lot about that book. Currently, I am on chapter 2, which is the begin with the end in mind. So, according to his book, that we don't need to rush reading this. We need to apply all the things that we learn from this before proceeding to the next chapter. So, yep, I am reading this, but not every day. If I have time, I also plan to exercise 3 to 5 times within a week, and that's my goal because, you know, I am just working at home, and for me, it's not healthy to just stay at home. I prefer to exercise, and that is for my self-development. Also, I attend a lot of meetings for me to develop myself, and yeah, it's a self-help also. And I listen to a lot of podcasts in the morning and do multitasking like the household chores. Second is with the developing habits. I already develop habits like before starting my day, I need to make my bed. Okay, I've been doing that for 2 years now, and washing the dishes in the evenings so that when I wake up, I got a clear mind, okay, before starting the day. And also, I organize things and declutter everything. I want to develop also doing my skincare routine. Almost a year now, I haven't skipped my skincare routine. And also this year, I want to plan to do journal. I also got this page a day diary. It's all about my schedules for the day, and also I want to practice to start the day with gratitude. It's a 5-minute gratitude journal, like simple things that makes you happy. And also I ordered a journal from Amazon, and I'm still waiting for it. So I am so excited to start, even though we are already in the middle of the month, but it's better to start something new that keeps you being productive and just stop procrastinating, because 2021 my theme will be just to stop procrastinating. The last one is all about my YouTube content. So for my YouTube content, this will be new because this will not be more of my travel diaries. I just want to share with you my life experiences here in Germany, or the things that you can relate, because right now not everyone can travel yet, and I want to try to create a quality content for you guys to learn from, or you get inspired. This may be through my life experiences, lessons, and travel experiences. That is all my content all about for 2021. I want to motivate, encourage people, and I know that it will be a lot of time for you to watch this video, but at the end of the day you will get something from it. So that's my goal. I am so thankful, guys, because throughout the journey as a small YouTuber it's quite difficult, but with you guys I know that I can do it. And of course, I'm not really confident enough to speak in front of the camera, but I know for sure that practice makes progress, and I wanna give back all your support to me through my video. So I hope you will find this video informative, and also you can use this for you to become inspired more of this year, and for you to become more productive, and for you to stop procrastinating. I hope that as you are watching this video, you can support me in my journey as RJ Felipe, and it will be a lifestyle plus travel diaries. And I hope to see you again next time, and have a wonderful day. Bye!
If I could take you up in boom boom boom, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.